Welcome back to Right Style TV. Today we are going to do a jerk turkey wings recipe. And without further delay, we're going to get right into it. Half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon granulated garlic, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon parsley flakes, half a teaspoon dried thyme leaves, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon lemon pepper, half a teaspoon ground allspice, half a teaspoon sour seasoning, okay. We're gonna add now one teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, one teaspoon soy sauce, four teaspoon jerk marinade, Gonna rub these in, and then we'll get back to you when we're about to bake. Hi folks, I'm back. The turkey wings have been marinated overnight, and I have this pan. I'm going to load them up in the pan and put them in the oven. The oven has been preheated 350 degrees. These wings will be baked for 2.5 to 3 hours. I'll get back to you when the wings have been baked. So I'll put them in the oven right now. I got one, two, three, four, that's 5 wings. How lovely they look. See how I put them in the pan? No overlapping. Okay, I'll be putting them in the oven now, and I'll get back to you later. Okay, my friends, the oven jerked turkey wings, I've taken them out of the oven. I was thinking that it will be ready between 2 to 3 hours. They surprised me. I took them out exactly 2 hours, and they look magnificent. They are soft, delicious. I've tasted a piece. And they're just ready to go. They look really magnificent. You guys should try this sometime. They really amaze me. Very soft and wonderful. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of other excellent recipes lined up, and I'm asking, please watch these videos from the beginning to the end, because I don't want you to miss out on any of the techniques that will make your recipe come out just as wonderful as this. Thank you all for your support, and please stay safe. Bye for now.